Solar Turbines Incorporated, a subsidiary of Caterpillar, is one of the world's leading gas turbine manufacturers. From our headquarters in San Diego, California, we've placed more than 8,000 solar gas turbines in service around the globe. Together, they've logged more than 300 million hours of operation, a record of experience unmatched in the turbomachinery industry. Solar has been furnishing cogeneration systems to process industries for nearly 3 decades. There are more than 500 solar gas turbines in cogeneration service worldwide. Solar is dedicated to serving every facet of its customers' turbomachinery system needs, from the design of the gas turbines and turbomachinery packages to the installation, operation, maintenance, and financing of complete power systems. The more than 1,600 solar installations in Europe, Africa, and the Middle East are supported from our facilities in Gosselies, Belgium. More than 60 field service representatives, engineers, and skilled technicians are based here to provide on-site service, factory-level overhauls, and repairs. In addition, this facility maintains a pool of spare gas turbine engines. Outside of the oil and gas industry, Solar provides gas turbines to packagers who manufacture, market, and service the complete generator sets. ASEA Brown Boveri, with sales offices in London, packages the 9-megawatt Mars. There are 4 packagers of the 1-megawatt Solar Saturn and the 4-megawatt Solar Centaur gas turbines. Dale Electric, located in northeast England, MAN Technologie, located in Munich and Augsburg, Treco, located in Overijse near Brussels, and Tuma Turbomac of Lumino, Switzerland. Here are a few examples of how Solar and its packagers fulfill the energy needs of our customers. CC Friesland Cooperative Company is an internationally oriented dairy cooperative with headquarters in Leeuwarden, in the northern part of the Netherlands. CC Friesland produces and markets worldwide such consumer products as condensed milk, milk powder, and baby food. In early 1987, CC Friesland commissioned a 9-megawatt Mars gas turbine generator set supplied by Solar Turbines Incorporated of San Diego. The turbine exhaust feeds a natural circulation waste heat recovery boiler with supplementary firing, producing 90 tons per hour of steam at 40 bar and 410 degrees centigrade. A significant portion of the 40 bar steam is used directly in CC Friesland's manufacturing process, and the remainder is reduced to 5 bar and 0.8 bar through an existing 6.4 megawatt steam turbine. The resulting combined cycle approach meets the changing steam and electric power requirements of CC Friesland around the clock, excess power being sold to the local utility. The overall thermal efficiency of the combined cycle system is 83.4%. Condia Chemie is a chemical plant in Brunsbüttel in the northern part of the Federal Republic of Germany. Condia produces linear fatty alcohols and aluminas of high purity. Both products are used worldwide in the production of plasticizers, cosmetics, and detergents. To supply electric and thermal power for the chemical plant, Condia installed a cogeneration system in late 1987. The system is powered by a Solar Centaur turbine, fueled by natural gas and water injected for NOx reduction. The system provides 4 megawatts of electric power, which ranges from 50% to 60% of the total power demand of the plant. The system normally operates in parallel with the utility grid, but it can operate as an energy island in case of grid failure. The turbine exhaust provides all the 500 degrees centigrade air needed in the plant for drying the aluminas without compromising the high purity of the product. The unit operates with maximum load 24 hours a day, all year round. The cogeneration system has been exceeding 97% availability. Dutch papermaker Berghuizer Paperfabriek produces high-quality white paper for books, envelopes, and photocopiers at its mill in Wappenveld. Berghuizer installed a Centaur H gas turbine in June 1986 to meet the mill's electricity demands. The Centaur's exhaust provides 515 degrees centigrade heat to a heat recovery boiler. The 75-ton-per-hour boiler supplies 70 bar, 465 degrees centigrade steam to two back-pressure steam turbines, one 5 megawatts and one 3 megawatts, which in turn supply steam to the paper machines. The resulting combined cycle plant has a total output of 11.2 megawatts and operates 24 hours a day all year round. Ondulato Imolese, a paperboard producer located in northern Italy, installed a Saturn gas turbine generator set in the summer of 1987. The unit is rated at 800 kilowatts electric and feeds an unfired waste heat boiler, producing 2.5 tons per hour of steam at 13 bar. The boiler exhaust is used to heat 25,000 cubic meters per hour of drying air to 100 degrees centigrade, resulting in an overall plant efficiency of 86%.
Here we see the plant built by Danish Energy Systems for Brasov Total Energy. The plant is commissioned in October 87 and have now more than 5,000 running hours. The plant is equipped with one solar 0.9 megawatt gas turbine and with waste heat boilers. Additionally, there is two gas-fired boilers, all used for residential heating. The electricity is sold to the public network.
We are normally running the unit at full load, and then we are making the variations at supplementing firing.
The heat is used for residential heating for around 1,000 houses. The overall efficiency is between 0.91 and 92.
Bergbau, located in the Ruhr area of the Federal Republic of Germany, is the largest underground coal mine in Europe, producing 16,000 tons of coal per day. The 40-60 methane air mixture evacuated from the mine is used to fuel a Centaur gas turbine. The exhaust is used in an unfired waste heat boiler to produce hot water, used for heating a nearby housing development and a swimming pool.
Monatlich werden etwa 2.300.000 Kubikmeter Gas in dieser Turbine verwertet. Die Betriebsstunden zeigen, dass wir mittlerweile eine Verfügbarkeit von 99% erreicht haben.
The system produces 3.3 megawatts of electric power and 5.8 megawatts of heat. Tampella Española ordered a 9-megawatt Mars gas turbine generator package from ASEA Brown Boveri in September 1987 for its Barcelona board mill. The unit, which burns natural gas, is connected to a Tampella-designed exhaust heat recovery boiler with supplementary firing, which is regulated according to the steam demand and the heat recoverable from the gas turbine exhaust. The boiler normally produces steam at 4 bar and 180 degrees centigrade. Design capacity is 21 tons per hour without supplementary firing and 32 tons per hour with firing. Overall plant efficiency is 86%, with a boiler stack temperature of 125 degrees centigrade. In the future, it is planned to recover this exhaust stack heat by ducting the gases to the paper machines, with an expected overall plant efficiency of 97%. The cogeneration installations we have just seen all save money and energy, but they have something else in common. They share the solar advantage. That means they have available the benefits of leading technology, proven reliability, and a strong regional service presence, including in-house overhaul and test capability.